Daddy.
I have a present for you.
What is that?
With honor.
Hey! Academic Achievement Award with honors is given to Luca Harake Park. Warner, wow, you got a GPA of 91.06.
Matalino talaga
You
siya.
are very smart, boy. I'm super proud of you. Wow, I'm proud of you.
Ang ganda ng timing, andito ka.
Great job.
Good job,
It's
kuya.
amazing job, kuya.
Oh.
More than brains, kuya. You're a great son.
Yes, exactly. Period.
I know, grades mean a lot, but kuya, your character means more to me.
Yes.
As long as you're...
Kuya Lucas has always been a good boy.
Where's Bia?
Nasa school pa.
Ah, man.
How about Bia? May award kaya si Bia. Pressure is real, Bia.
Most likely to achieve.
Hindi, pero 3 years old, marunong na magbasa.
Nah, Bia's very bright too. The kids are bright. You did an amazing job, mahal ko. Like, grabe.
Lahi ko to. Lahi ko to.